Welcome to our CPU comparison video. Today, we will dive deep into the specifications and performance of two of the most powerful desktop processors on the market, the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X and the Intel Core i9-13900K. We'll explore their architectures, core counts, clock speeds, and how they perform in gaming and multitasking scenarios. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, this comparison will help you make an informed decision on which CPU to choose for your next build. The AMD Ryzen 9 5900X features a traditional 12-core architecture, which has been optimized for high performance in gaming and productivity tasks. In contrast, the Intel Core i9-13900K utilizes a hybrid architecture, combining 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores, allowing it to handle a wider range of tasks simultaneously. This innovative design gives the Intel processor a significant advantage in multi-threaded applications, making it a powerhouse for both gaming and content creation. When it comes to clock speeds, the Intel Core i9-13900K takes the lead with a maximum boost clock of up to 5.8 GHz, which translates to superior performance in single-threaded tasks. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X reaches a maximum boost clock of 4.8 GHz. While both processors excel in gaming, the higher clock speed of the i9-13900K can provide a noticeable advantage in scenarios that rely heavily on single-core performance. In terms of power consumption, the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X is more efficient with a TDP of 105 watts, making it a great choice for users who prioritize energy efficiency. In contrast, the Intel Core i9-13900K has a higher TDP of 125 watts, which means it may require more robust cooling solutions to maintain optimal performance under load. This difference can impact overall system costs, especially when considering power supply and cooling requirements. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X and the Intel Core i9-13900K are exceptional processors, each with its strengths and weaknesses. The Ryzen 9 5900X offers excellent performance per watt efficiency and is a solid choice for gamers and professionals alike. Meanwhile, the i9-13900K excels in single-threaded performance and multitasking capabilities, making it ideal for power users. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.